Round 1, chain 51. Starting from the second chain from the hook, add wire along the chain for structure. Work 49 single crochets. Work 3 single crochets in the next stitch. This forms the leaf tip. Work 49 single crochets down the other side. Slip stitch to join. Then chain 1. Round 2, for the first 6 pairs, single crochet. Chain 10. Nine slip stitches back along the chain. Single crochet. For the next 2 pairs, single crochet. Chain 9. 8 slip stitches back along. Single crochet. For the next 5 pairs, single crochet. Chain 8. 7 slip stitches back along. Single crochet. For 1 pair, single crochet. Chain 7. 6 slip stitches back along. Single crochet. For the next 4 pairs, single crochet. Chain 6. 5 slip stitches back along. Single crochet. For the next 3 pairs, single crochet. Chain 5. For slip stitches back along. Single crochet. For the next 2 pairs, single crochet. Chain 4. 3 slip stitches back along. Single crochet. For the next 2 pairs, single crochet. Chain 3. 2 slip stitches back along. Single crochet. For the leaf tip, single crochet. Chain 4. 3 slip stitches back along. Single crochet. Now mirror the pattern back down the other side. Repeat 2 times, single crochet. Chain 3. 2 slip stitches back along. Single crochet. Repeat 2 times, single crochet. Chain 4. 3 slip stitches back along. Single crochet. Repeat 3 times, single crochet. Chain 5. For slip stitches back along. Single crochet. Repeat 4 times, single crochet. Chain 6. 5 slip stitches back along. Single crochet. Once, single crochet. Chain 7. 6 slip stitches back along. Single crochet. Repeat 5 times, single crochet. Chain 8. 7 slip stitches back along. single crochet. Repeat 2 times, single crochet. Chain 9. Eight slip stitches back along. Single crochet. Repeat 6 times, single crochet. Chain 10. 9 slip stitches back along. Single crochet. Slip stitch to join.